You deserve to breathe clean, healthy air. In this video, we'll go over common causes of poor indoor air quality in your home and some ways to help you breathe easier. Hi, I'm Luke with Fire and Ice. Over the years, I've sat down with thousands of Central Ohio homeowners to discuss their indoor air quality and help them find custom solutions to help them breathe easier. In this video, we'll go over some of the common reasons behind poor indoor air quality and some solutions to help improve the air inside your home. By the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of how to improve the indoor air quality inside your home. It has been said that the air we breathe inside our home can have 2 to 5 times the number of pollutants compared to outside. Some of the major culprits of poor indoor air quality in a home include emissions from fireplaces, stoves, smoking inside, cleaning products, and more. Indoor air quality can be affected if you live in an area with high humidity, like here in Columbus, Ohio, during the summer. Combine all that with neglecting routine maintenance and forgetting to change your air filter can result in some poor indoor air quality. Your HVAC system is the perfect environment for bacteria and mold to grow, which thrive in cold, damp environments, which just so happens to exist inside your furnace and ductwork. Before we move on, if you're enjoying the video so far, please like the video and leave us a comment once you're done. We love to hear what you have to say and answer any questions you may have. And did you know we have even more resources on our website? Click the link here to visit our Learning Center for more in-depth information, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great content. If you or a loved one have asthma or breathing difficulties, these concerns is essential to help alleviate your discomfort and prevent illness. So let's go over some possible solutions to help improve the air quality inside your home. The first solution is to increase the air circulation inside the home. Switching your furnace blower to continuous operation will help circulate the air inside your home and pass it through your filter, removing excess impurities. The next solution is to check your HVAC filter regularly. Your filter is responsible for catching any nastiness floating in the air. Depending on your filter type, it should be changed every month for standard 1-inch filters and 6 months to a year for the larger 4-inch media filters. However, check your filter once or twice a month and change it accordingly when it gets dirty, especially if you're running the fan continuously. The third solution is to invest in a more extensive filtration system with a higher MERV rating. Standard 1-inch filters can only go so far with filtering the air you breathe. Upgrading to a 4-inch filter can catch debris as small as 0.3 microns, such as bacteria, pet dander, pollen, and mold spores. Next is to schedule regular maintenance on your indoor and outdoor unit once a year. For example, during a furnace tune-up, your HVAC technician should clean dust or debris trapped inside the cabinet and examine the blower motor. Any debris caught inside will only be pushed out into the home every time the blower turns on. During an air conditioner or heat pump tune-up, the technician should check the evaporator coil for any signs of bacteria buildup, which could lead to abnormal smells that we call dirty sock syndrome. Next is to invest in indoor air quality products like a whole home humidifier or dehumidifier to help manage humidity levels. And if you're looking to clean the air, consider air purification systems like the Train Clean Effects or the Remy Halo to further filter and clean the air inside your home. The last solution involves a whole home duct cleaning that uses a truck-mounted vacuum to rid your entire ductwork of dust, debris, and other nastiness. Our duct cleanings also go the added step to cleaning those areas that bacteria and mold are known to grow. Optional disinfectants can also be added to the ductwork to clean further. I hope by now you have a better understanding of the importance of indoor air quality and are on the path to breathing cleaner, healthier air. If you'd like more information, click the link in the description below. And if you found this video helpful, please give us a like and hit the bell icon to get notifications every time we upload a new video. Thank you for watching. Look forward to making your day better.